Yandra, it's 21 degrees today. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Yandra. It's 21 degrees today and it's heavy rain. Yeah, it's heavy rain. It's 21 degrees today. Good morning, back here, Fiji. What a lovely weather. And it's my brother's residence. Lovely weather back here. I love the background. I love the farm. And today is it's a very special day because it's a weekend, so we need to relax and take a break, relax and have a Kit Kat. What I like most about this place is the Roro. And it's Roro fresh from the farm. That's why I really like this plant. And special banana fresh from the farm. Woohoo! The most thing I like about this farm is the Roro plant. And I'm really proud of my brother because of his resident. Well, thank God for that. What I like most is the Roro fresh from the farm. Me lako tunga me kena new, lomba soko nga kena new, ge lako ni kena Roro. Isn't it nice? Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it lovely? Roro fresh from the farm. Roro fresh from the farm. Yes. Roro fresh from the farm. Isn't it lovely? There's lots of things that they planted here, the boys back at home in Fiji. And it's raining today. It's raining and the weather is 21 degrees Celsius. It's lovely morning. Weekend. Enjoy your weekend. And from me to you. There's lots of things out there they plant, but I can't go there because it's there's lots of things they plant here. What a big yard. I always like it. And thank you. All fresh from the farm, from this side to that side. What a lovely weather. It's raining. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining here. It's raining here back in Fiji with 21 degrees. Imagine. Thank God because it was so hot and hot and hot and hot. Get over it. It's weekend. Let's enjoy the weather back at home. Anywhere, wherever you're watching from, let's enjoy the weather. It's raining here. Saroy binakanan raki, ni taumbi tu na kanalangi. Thank God for the lovely weather. Thank you. Binaka.